Hello people of YouTube, today I'm gonna show you how I partially fixed FaceTime on iOS 6 on an iPod Touch 4. Look, iPod Touch. I partially fixed it. I'm not, but example, if you enter the FaceTime app, it's gonna appear this. Okay, so the app isn't working, well, except you have an Apple ID or you can sign up with an Apple ID. But you can see the home screen, right? First of all, you're gonna unlock your iPod, and then you're gonna go to Cydia. Then you're gonna search for a specific tweak. The tweak is called Byte SMS. Oh fuck. Here we have it, Byte SMS. I already have installed this. Look, Byte SMS, the big boss. So you are not going to enter. This is like iMessage, and you can, if you have signed the Apple ID, you can send message. But Byte SMS isn't working right now, so it doesn't work. But you're here in the control center. There's an option to redeem a message on Byte SMS. So you're gonna click this. Oh my God, it's not working again. Wait a second. Oh my God, wait a second. Okay, see, you have to see this. First of all, you have to search a contact, and you can't. Example, I'm gonna choose a when and FaceTime. Well, iPhone. So I'm gonna put FaceTime. Okay, and I didn't tell you this. You have to close FaceTime before doing this process. So you have to open again FaceTime. And look, I opened FaceTime. And if I click, it like goes there, but I cannot call. Just the screen. You can only have the screen. If there's something that could fix this, please leave it in the comments and like and subscribe the video and my channel. So goodbye. That's all for today.